They publish, they wait, and then they say, hey, let's let the book breathe and see what happens. Bad idea. Never rely on organic sales just to magically come in. Amazon doesn't work that way. The first 30 days you publish is your test window. Amazon's watching everything that happens to your book now. How many people clicked on it? How many people bought? How often reviews are coming in? What's the conversion rate look like? Whether the book is holding rank or it's slipping. Everything's being watched by Amazon in that first 30 days. If the signals are strong, that's telling Amazon this is a new book, a new product that people are liking and buying. And Amazon responds, more impressions, better placement. You're put into the suggested, also bought with category. That's the algorithm starting to reward you or favor you. But if the signals are weak, the book gets buried. And here's the painful part. Once a book is buried, it is very hard to get that book going again. It's kind of like Bruce Wayne in The Dark Knight Rises when he's inside the big pit and he has to climb out. Very challenging. So what creates some strong signals for Amazon? Well, it's a couple things working together. So first off is definitely going to be the cover, right? That cover is going to get that first click, that first signal to Amazon. Then pricing, having your book priced accordingly so that the customer doesn't have to really think about the purchase, right? If they're thinking, oh yeah, this book is $14.99, $17.99, that makes sense to purchase it. If your book's at $29.99 and everyone else is priced at, $19.99, they have to ask, well, why is this book priced so much higher? You don't want that in the beginning. And of course, reviews. Reviews build social proof. So getting some good, honest reviews in the beginning is absolute key. What about sales velocity? Easiest way to get sales velocity is just to run ads. Even if it's only a couple dollars a day, you gotta run some ads. You gotta throw some traffic at it because the traffic that you get from ads will tell you everything you need to know about your book.